Okay, then we'll go this side.
These are my nephew and my niece. We're about to slaughter each other here. Mr. Late Bird here, always late on everything.
You have Caden?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now. Oh, you, Sharon, last one. Okay, Sharon. All right, done. Okay, then I'm on your guys' side. Done. We'll come back. The volume is right here. Okay, I'm gonna test it. Let's test it. Can you guys hear me? We're gonna pick location one more time. All right, let's go ahead and pick a location one like this already. Caden does. So look, come here. Turn off, take off the, just put on forward and it'll park right here. Okay, follow me. I'll show you guys where the location is. Okay. This location 1. Okay? This location 2. Location 3. Shall we fly? Team.
I am Caden.
It's on Caden, right?
Yeah, Caden.
Hey Dakota, give this to Caden. Strap this on his arm so we know who's on whose team, you know?
It's like very faint.
4, 5.
All right, that should work. Okay, we're ready. Let me know when you guys in location. Huh? Both of you guys back each other up. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Anybody?
No, nobody over here. I'm over near the shop.
I'm gonna move up behind you. Tell me. I'm going dark. There's people over here.
I got Luke. Okay then, that's me. That's me.
I go left.
All right. You guys got good firepower. You guys flank right. Out. Follow me, Yui. Go around this way. Go around that way. I'm up this way. You and Sharon move down that way. Okay? We'll flank them off. One at a time.
moving around area B.
Oh, okay.
Near the barn, Calvin.
Okay, we got all three.
Nice job. That gun is badass, huh? I told you the gun is badass, huh?
Oh.
That gun is badass, huh?
If you shot me, I can't cheat because you'd see it all over my arm.
But
Dude, those thorns fucking
technically, we got higher firepower than they do. So, all right, let's go back. Let's go back.
It's a horrible spot for me.
Huh?
I know, we didn't really have a way to dip.
How did you guys get them?
I saw Calvin
We were
coming
right
out.
behind this, but we couldn't go
And then
nowhere.
I
We
saw
were
Hayden or
stuck.
something hiding right there. And then I started screaming, and then Sharon came from there. I saw you coming up, and then I started shooting you, and then I was looking behind me.
Good job, man. You got me good.
Somebody.
You emptied like 10 rounds on me. I feel it too, man. Yeah.
Good job.
You good?
Yeah, you hit me with my passport.
I was shooting over.
You look fine. You look like Darth Vader.
Yeah, he looked fine.
Let's guys.
Thanks for having us.
No, thank you for coming. We'll do it again. Good job, son. Good team, good team. Calvin's too far away. I'm gonna cook. Hey, next one, let's one side over here, because we keep on coming back from the... Yeah, one side over here, one side over there, better.
Where's two?
Yeah. No, one. Oh, the number. No, first one we were at. Somebody was right behind me. I was trying to shoot Calvin, and I heard.
What the fuck?
Those $59. Yeah, but it's good for a cheap weapon.
It just spit.
You can sneak up on people.
That thing just spit.